I've had my Sisterlocks for going on about 7 weeks. And I just had my first retie. I know, I was a little late, but my stylist, my loctician, Antoinette, was 9 months or 8 months? She was very close to delivery when she started my locks. That lady is a soldier. But anyway, so the day I was supposed to get my locks retied or tightened, I told her, look, I don't want to come in. I think I'm okay. I don't have that much new growth. Let's just wait another week or two. And she said, cool. So happens that same exact day, she went into labor. So my retie was not going to happen anyway. Look at God. God knows everything. But anywho, got my braids retied. What's today? Tuesday? Saturday. 3 days ago. So I'm back to the plucked chicken look. Bok, bok. Chicken, bok, bok. Chicken head. So when I first got them done, I was at the plucked chicken look, but then I went, 7 weeks before my retie, and so I had new growth going on. My ends had started to like frizz up, and I was loving it. It was just like, it was filling in because of the new growth. It was filling in the spaces. I'm not a fan of seeing the grid. I don't want to see it. I only want to see it if I want to see it, if you understand what I mean. If I'm parting my hair, yeah, there we go. There's a grid. There, okay, okay, there we go. There you go. I'd rather not see. I'm a fan of the traditional lock, or the palm rolls, I think they call them, where they twist it at the root with products, and when they get them retwisted, it looks really spacey, scalpy. I didn't like that. So that's one of the main reasons why I went with Sisterlocks. But anyway, my first retie, I knew what to expect. Me, you know, it was probably gonna take between 2 and 3 hours. I was gonna say a couple hours, but she said between 2 and 3 hours. And it took almost exactly 2 hours. She's fast. I have about 362 locks in my head, and she retightened 362 locks in 2 hours. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We always have great conversation. I absolutely love my loctician. I did have a consultation before I decided to go with her, and that was okay. It was just that lady was a SisterLock consultant. So she has SisterLock consultant prices. I think she quoted me at $1,200, $1,300, and I was like, that's way more than what I expected to pay for hair. Okay, let me start reaching out to some people I know. I reached out to an aunt of mine who used to do SisterLocks a long time ago, and she's retired. And she's like, I'm not gonna do them for you, but I know somebody who I trained, and she's good. And so I said, okay, let me give her a call. Let me give her a ring. So I reached out to her. She reached back right away. We set up a consultation. I went to see her. She looked at my hair. She talked to me about the process or whatever. She actually had a client in her chair at the time. So she didn't spend a whole lot of time with me, and that was okay because my first consultation was an hour and a half long, and it cost me $65. And I was shown the SisterLock video by the creator. I can't remember her name. I'll add it here somewhere, here or there, I don't know. I watched the video. She went through the whole thing. She measured my hair. She put the test locks in. That was an hour and a half long. So I already knew what I needed to know. So Antoinette, it was pretty quick. She looked at my hair. She was like looking at the density and like the thickness, and she quoted me at $500. I was like, okay, you're the one. The reason why the price was so much cheaper is because she's a trainee, and I'm okay with that because I saw some of her work. I knew that she knew what she was doing, and she was trained by one of the best locticians that I know. And she's also, you know, a trainee for the SisterLock program. I don't know what it's called. When I told my sisters the price, they were like, ooh. And I was like, she was recommended by somebody I trust and love, first of all. Second of all, I looked at her work. Third of all, her entire family, including her husband, has SisterLocks, and she does all of their hair. She has had locks for 10 years. Her locks were started by my aunt who referred her to me. Her SisterLocks are absolutely gorgeous. Somebody else retires hers, but as you can see, she knows what she's doing. My locks look like all the other locks that I've seen on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, and they were done by SisterLock consultants. Let's go back to my retie. So a week before my retie, I washed my hair, and I actually got 2 washes in before my first retie. So a week before my first retie, I washed my hair with the SisterLock shampoo. Gotta be honest, the first time I washed my hair, I didn't use the SisterLock shampoo, I used my shampoo. And this time I used the SisterLock shampoo, and I did notice a lot of flaking. My hair is dull. It's duller than before. I'll include a picture of my hair after my first shampoo with my regular shampoo. I'll use the shampoo again because it definitely got my scalp a lot cleaner. My hair felt cleaner, but it's just that it just looked dull. It's dry to me. I mean, it looks good. It's coming back. I'm getting, my life is coming back into my hair. I braided it up last night into like probably like 10 braids, and like put it in like small ponytails on the ends and tied it up with my silk bonnet, or put my silk bonnet on. So far, I like the fact that my hair was really clean with the SisterLock shampoo. I just don't like how dry my hair feels, and my scalp is really itchy. And actually, my scalp is itchy because of my retie. My scalp was very itchy when I got them installed for about a week, and it's itchy again. And I think it's because of my retie, not the SisterLock shampoo. Sorry, SisterLock shampoo. But I'm gonna wash my hair again on Saturday. And I'm gonna try it again and see what that does. If it's still dull, I'm just gonna look into some other options. But the SisterLock shampoo is good because it helps promote the locking process. It has things in it, or ingredients in it, that helps promote the process, the locking process. So I'm just gonna go along with the process. I'm just gonna do what it do so I can get the results I want. Anywho, so there are some spots, as you can see, that she couldn't lock because it's too short here, here. So these spots were never locked. So I kind of just leave those be. I don't slick them down. I don't do any of that. Put oil in it and just, you know, act like it's not even there. Yeah, so pretty. That's it for this video. Again, first retie. I'm loving it. Until next time.